Thinking about an epoxy floor, or maybe already have one installed? Epoxy can look amazing and perform really well, but only if it's done right. I'm Tom, president of Custom Crete Industrial Surfaces, and in this video, I'll walk you through the 7 most common epoxy floor problems we see, and more importantly, how to avoid them. The number one reason epoxy fails is poor surface preparation. If the concrete isn't cleaned, profiled, and free of dust, the epoxy typically won't bond. That's when you see peeling, bubbling, or sections lifting. The solution is proper mechanical prep, like grinding or shot blasting, with no shortcuts. Another common issue is outgassing and bubbles. You may have seen epoxy with random bubbles or little craters. That's air escaping from the slab. It weakens the surface and ruins the finish. The fix is primer coats, the right tools, and controlling the environment during installation. Epoxy also doesn't love sunlight. Over time, it can yellow or fade. To avoid this, we apply a UV-resistant top coat, such as a polyurethane or polyaspartic, so your floor keeps its sharp look even in bright spaces. Moisture vapor from underneath the slab is another silent killer. It causes blistering and delamination if not addressed. That's why we always test for moisture, and if needed, recommend a vapor barrier to protect the system long term. Temperature fluctuations can also stress epoxy, causing cracks or brittleness. The answer is choosing the right system for the environment. Some coatings handle temperature changes better than others, and for the harshest settings, we recommend urethane cement. Finally, epoxy floors don't last forever. With heavy use, they will need recoating or touch-ups. A professional maintenance plan helps extend their life and saves you from the full cost of replacements. So there you have it, the 7 biggest epoxy floor problems and how to avoid them. The good news is, with proper prep, the right materials, and regular maintenance, epoxy can be one of the best investments you'll make in your facility. If you'd like to talk about your space, request a quote or schedule a site evaluation today.